Hello guys, this is WHP Productions. Today I'm going to show you how we can resolve this dynamic link problem. Okay, now we are in After Effects and I have a simple animation as you can see over here. 2-second animation. It's a simple text animation. So I'm having this dynamic link problem. Export at Adobe encoder. As you can see over here, a dynamic link server Adobe encoder is not properly installed. Even if you search online and about this problem, chances are that you may not be able to resolve this problem. So I have an alternative method for this, to export your files in H264 or any other format using After Effects and Media Encoder. Um, it's pretty much the same thing, just you have to do it in steps. So we'll get to it. You can go to file, export, and add to render queue. Sorry, add to render queue. And you can just select these settings as QuickTime, and for your output, this is composition 1. Let's render it. Once this is rendered, you can now close this and now open Adobe Media Encoder. Over here you can select the file and add source. Go to the composition. So this is my composition. I'm going to add selecting your format from over here. You can select any format: GIF, JPEG, PNG, QuickTime. So H264 format is a good format for um, low file size. So keep these settings same. You can now click over here OK, and keep these settings same. This will be your file location. You're going to hit the start queue. It's going to render out. Now we'll check this file. So this is your composition, which was before, and it's an MOV file with 6.28 MB, and this is your H264 format. As you can see, it is only 170 KB. Check this animation. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I hope this resolved your problem. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thanks a lot.